Alright, so yesterday evening was a bust. We had a deer blow at us about 50, 60 yards out into some pines that are to our left. But it is now the next morning. We're gonna get up and go try our luck again. Gage is asleep, about to wake him up. Hey buddy. Hey. Ready to go hunting? Huh? Okay, let's get up. Come on, we don't have much time. Come on, buddy. You ready? Huh?
Yeah.
Let's get up. He's a little slow moving, but we'll see y'all out there. See ya. Came up here, we hunted yesterday evening, this morning, got busted both times, the wind was terrible. This is a new property we're hunting, and probably explained a little bit already, but we only have one blind there for two people, so I didn't have any other stands for two people, so we had to sit there, and I was hoping just to get lucky, but some deer busted us this morning and last night. Last night I think was probably a buck, just the way it was blowing. Sounded real deep. But anyhow, whatever, that's the way it goes. We're gonna hunt again tonight and tomorrow morning. Different spot though. So we came to my parents' house, which is like 2 hours from where we were hunting yesterday and this morning. So now we're at my parents', kind of just killing time in the middle of the day. Gage is fishing right now. That's why I turned the camera on, so I'm gonna go down there and check it out. But it's funny, my dad's had a camera out here, and he doesn't really shoot deer in his yard or anything, but he'll let the boys, if it's a, an okay buck or they want to shoot it. And he had an 8-point come by at 9:37 this morning, and he didn't even see it, but it came right by the camera in his little patch that he's got here. I'll show you in a second. But anyways, I'm gonna go down there, fish with Gage for a second, but I just want to show you some chickens. He's got a pretty cool rooster, big old white rooster. His name's Tank. Let's check him out. This is the patch that the deer was in this morning. Hey Tank, what you doing, Tank? Yeah, buddy. What are you doing? Right here, that 8-point walk right by. I'll show them to you right now. I have half a mind to hunt here this afternoon, maybe with Gage. But Dad's got a tree stand right. See it? Yep, right there. Kind of overlooking the woods back there. I'm sure that buck comes through here all the time. You got a big old scrape up at the front of my dad's property. Anyhow, walk down there right now. Let you see Gage catching some brim. What are you using for bait?
Bread.
Oh, I thought you were using minnows. They were hitting like crazy over here, Gage.
Well, usually I catch big ones over
creek was dry.
Oh, well, it has not rained
Yeah, it's dry.
much.
Got him? Oh, that's a mondo.
My goodness.
Oh, that's definitely the biggest.
That's a big one, dude.
Oh, that is a nice. Sweet. Oh, yeah.
That's a,
Wait up, baby. Oh, look how dark it is.
yeah, that's a big old brim.
Ooh. Oh, I didn't know he was that big.
That might be your biggest brim.
I think it is.
It might be.
Might have to get him mounted.
No, it was at Brody's house.
Where's the,
Like, I don't even know. We walked to this little creek,
Well, what are you gonna do with him?
and I caught a bluegill. He was like this big.
Sounds like a hybrid.
Wow.
I mean, that was pretty big.
Here's
What are you
a
gonna do with him?
Pole holder.
Eat him.
You're gonna eat that brim?
Yes.
Gage.
Okay.
Put him in the pole holder. Right here on this side. Right here.
You keep messing around, thing's gonna flip and come right off the hook. Yeah, but let out some slack so it doesn't bend the rod tip.
Nice.
He's like as big as a stick of a net.
That's a big old brim. You got two?
That's his third.
He's already caught one.
Sucker's about as big as my boot almost.
He's culling him. He's got the biggest one.
Did he go in?
He's stuck. I mean,
Needs a plier.
No, you got it.
it's like the hook is bent though, so it's kind
Yeah,
of.
that'll hook it there.
You're gonna bend it more.
I'm gonna go back over to the big one spot.
That's where big boys are.
Let him fight.
Yeah.
Mondo.
There you go. You ought to. I don't know why you wouldn't.
Well, I didn't tell him I was going. He don't care. He told me that the girls, they all spent the night in Gage before night. And they were going to go back home. He thought he might stay the night. I didn't tell him that I might stay with him tonight.
That piece of bread about as big as your thumb. You hear it hit?
Yeah, exactly.
It was?
Yeah. Piece of bread in there about that big around. Big turtle down.
That's
it. That's a big fish right there.
Oh yeah.
Here, Granddad.
Grandy's fixing to
Take him up, clean.
fry it up. We got to be in the tree stand in about an hour and 15 minutes. Grandy's gonna fry up the brim for Gage before we go.
Do you want me to throw those pants in the dryer?
You want those pants in the dryer, buddy?
Nothing. Look, they're just wet right there.
Okay.
Alright, let's get all the stuff. Put him on the tailgate, Gage.
I use my stick to.
Yeah, well, pull on that. Now pull up like this way. That. Like that. Yeah, like that. Now pull these. Don't worry about that. Same way.
Look, there's literally.
I think this is a bone right here that needs to come out. So then, you literally, look, you pick it up, like, you need the tail. Is the tail good?
Yeah.
Sinkhole the table right there.
That's the best part, the tail.
Yeah. You get down too far, then you're like eating bone.
That's good.
So you can either take the fork and like just pull it this way, cause
Can I take this thing out?
yeah, it's the same way. You pull it out. No, don't do that.
Well, my hand was getting hot.
No, don't break it. Pull it.
Try it out.
Okay, leave it. Let it sit for a second. bucks me and Grandude have killed over the years. You can see it. Get some light. Killed that one in Georgia. Well, that's my grandpa's mule deer. There's Grandude's big 8-point. That's a Florida deer. Big one. Big deer. There's another buck Grandude killed, Florida buck. Let's see. See this one up here? That's a Florida deer that I killed. I killed that one. Another one up in my room, but
You're literally just pointing at the ones that you killed just so
No,
it
I
makes
didn't.
you look like, oh, you shot all of them.
that is not true. I said Grandude killed 2 of them.
Yeah, really.
Where's the ones you killed?
House.
Alright, let's eat that broom. We gotta go hunting. So we'll see y'all in the woods.
There's a lot of bones in it.
Alright, don't say it.
See in the woods.
Another sit, me and Gage. The sand gnats are horrendous, but we have the thermocell going. It just started smoking, so I think it's gonna work. But we're in a stand that we don't hunt a lot, but we're on a piece of property that me and my dad own with another friend of mine in North Florida. You gotta check out the view. It's insane. Well, at least I think it is. I love it. So I'll show you the view, but we'll be back, hopefully. We got like an hour, 15 minutes to hunt. There's not a lot of deer in here. Well, there are, but they don't stay in here very much, so we've had a picture of a okay 8-point trying to get Gage on him. So we'll see. But check out the view.
Well, we're back from hunting, back in South Florida. Didn't kill anything, but we've got a big iguana in the backyard. Gage usually tries to catch him, but I think he's scared today.
I haven't caught a lizard in like 3-4 years.
Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like Gunner's not scared. You better watch out for that tail, though. What? Yeah, his tail's, you don't see it hanging?
Grab the tail.
He's gonna whip you in the face.
His head's right here. I know where his head is. At the tail of his head. The base of his tail is right there.
A little bit higher.
Base of the tail, right? You grab the base of the tail.
Gunner, you got a plan?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your plan?
Yeah.
You can't even reach up to his head.
So he'll fall down for me.
Okay, let's see it happen.
That's my plan.
Okay, let's see what happens here. I think you should scare him down with that thing Gage has and then get him
No,
down.
he'll just go up.
Okay,
He literally cannot.
not if you scare him from up to down.
I know where he can't get out. We can make him not get out.
Willow, you see that?
What
is that?
Is that the same one from the other day?
I think it is.
I was about to say, when did we start getting them in our yard?
I think he's,
You want Willow to get him?
she's scared of him.
She can't even see him. What is that? What is that right there? It's iguana.
He's gonna climb up
It's
if
right there.
he gets scared though. Stay, Lily.
Gage, what are you doing?
He's gonna be gone.
Stop so he can't run out.
Honey, he can go over a fence up a tree.
He can't climb his fence.
What are you doing?
Just putting stuff over here.
Okay, well, we're running out of time.
So catch it, Gunner. If you miss, you just...
But you gotta grab the tail too.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Can I
She
put Lily
won't.
down?
Yeah, she won't go. Out. She thinks she wants to go after him.
Yes, she will!
Get him, Will! Oh,
Willow, get
Willow, leave it!
had his tail.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
That's
Drop it!
an iguana dog.
Drop it!
Nice catch, Gunner.
Oh my God.
Gage.
Me too.
He didn't mean to do that. Go get it.
Are you good?
It really hurt. Look,
Well,
it
Willow.
hurt.
That was pretty good, Gunner.
Willow definitely got him.
Willow,
All right, let's get him out of our yard, though. Go put
Yeah.
him somewhere else.
Go chuck him in Ryan's window.
No.
No, don't put him in Ryan's yard. Go put him down in that canal ditch.
Oh,
Yes,
Where? Down the
in that
street?
ditch. You're not gonna put him in one of our friends' yards.
Yeah, y'all bring him down the street
Let's
somewhere
go.
and let him go.
I'll walk with you. Come on. Wait, no, not you. I think she has to
She
stay
needs
here.
to stay. She's gonna
All
jump
right,
out
Gage,
of
go out with Gunner and I'll
I
meet
never
you.
got that thing.
Willie! You almost got him.
She's so parched. She need a water after all that?
Yeah, she was chasing
Close
a
the door,
squirrel
guys, and
before
then I'll
that.
sneak out. Start walking. I'll meet you. All right, you stay.
Come here. Hey,
Oh, look
come
how
here.
much she just shed. It's like when she's nervous.
Sit.
Over to Lily.
Sit. All right, good girl. Anyhow, well, we got something. But yeah, no luck hunting. It's pretty much the end of, well, not really. There's a few more weeks in Florida, but I don't know if we'll make it back up. I'm thinking about going to Alabama in a couple weeks. My buddy lives there, or has a place there. Actually, it's in like 10 days. And the bucks are rutting there, and I'd love to go, but I don't know if we're gonna do it, so we'll see. But we're gonna end this video because nothing else to really talk about. Until the next time, we'll see y'all around. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you around. See.